Hello. Here's one of our new single wides. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. It's a 14 wide home. We could order it 16 wide if you'd like. This has 8-foot flat ceilings, recessed can lights, hardwood cabinets, dishwasher, stainless steel sink, gas range, 20 cubic foot black fridge. This is a nice open layout, opens right to your living room. We have a huge sectional there. Your second bedroom's over here. This is home number 23 here at Palmer's. Here's your second bathroom. Got the porcelain square sinks, hardwood cabinets again. You can choose your cabinets. They offer white, a light gray. They have a country gray, which is like a wood tone that you could get. They do have blue cabinets too, which are really pretty. We have them displayed in a double wide. This is your utility, washer, dryer, furnace. It's your master bedroom. You got a nice big rug in here. Double windows, double closets, his and hers there. Master bathroom, walk-in shower. Again, that porcelain sink. Nice window in here, brightens it up. Again, you can choose your cabinets in there also. And when you choose your cabinets, you can choose your molding color to match. We have a full stainless steel door there. You could choose for one with a window to let a little light in right there, but